Okay, this is a video for Yammer, I guess, in a sense, as well as documenting my actual watch. And so we don't see. Okay, so this is my Stowa. Oh, it's stuck in the box. So this huge, holy jeebies, that box is heavy. Alright, try and do this one-handed. I'd have to pause and come back. Okay, got the slip off. It's an MDF box. Okay, so just for proof, this has just come from Germany. Not far from France, so there you go. I will be taking this watch out, as I do all watches. Beautiful, yes. I will be giving it hand wind, setting the date and time, and put it in the winder. I'll come back once I've done that. Okay, so here they are, back in the winder. Reference, again, it's running against the Oris. We will check back. Tomorrow and see how we're running. Okay. It's a bit over 24 hours. I got distracted. It's the weekend. What can I say? That's the Oris. And there's the Stowa. And as we can see, after 24 hours, wow. They're exactly the same. Come on, Yemma. Need to lift your game. This is ridiculous. And that is the correct date. Yes, they are a nice looking watch. I will now go down and put it on the time grapher. Apparently that just stopped. Okay, so take 2. We're on the time grapher now. Yeah. A little bit higher than I would like, but still pretty rock solid, steady at 12 seconds a day. My guess is 10 seconds a day. As it stands at the moment, it's pretty much fully wound. So, come on, Yimma, lift your game. This one's flown from Germany to me. It's gone through all the same scanners as yours. It managed to, if you want to use magnetization as a cause for your issues, well, why did this one not end up at the same fate? Let's just see what it runs at on its back. My guess is it's going to probably drop it down considerable. Most of them tend to run pretty good on their back. There we go. 999. See how this one runs in for the next few months, but I may get it tweaked. See what Watch Dude says. Again, it may settle down. It's been running for 24 hours. Again, no different than the Yammer was. very different on the graph. Put through the same paces. Settles down to +8, +9. I'll be happy.
Okay.